Yes, hello. Today we will bake Hungarian bread, traditional Hungarian bread. I do this since I'm back from the Philippines. Once a week I will bake bread, and I tried to find out the real recipe that works for me best. And now I will show you how I did this, because there are several things to regard. Yes, originally I bought bread like everybody from the store, but prices are going up and there was no real bread inside the bread. So what I get from this, it was not the best, so I decided to make it for myself. It's much cheaper and more yummy. First of all, I take 1 kilogram of flour and I put this inside the vessel. This is a normal, ordinary flour, what you can buy in every store. There's no special kind. You can use any kind. If you like a dog, okay, then you can try a dog type. Secondly, I put in 2 bags of yeast. So from the good old Dr. Oetker in my case, but I think it's around 20 grams of yeast I put in. Yes, it takes a little time to open those bags. Then I take a normal tablespoon and I will put inside the mixture 1 spoon of sugar. Brown sugar, but white sugar is also okay. And 1 spoon of salt, ordinary table salt. So yet there's no water in this, just the dry ingredients, and I mix them very good that they are everywhere, the yeast, and so that I have a very good mixture for everything. This is very important, that I have a very good bread, and not at one part of the bread is the yeast, at one part is the flour, at one part is the sugar, so that it's really a good mixture, and it becomes a very good, nice bread. You will see. Yes, also this takes a little bit time because I make this very carefully. And after this, I take hand warm water, normal tap water, 600 milliliters around, and I pour carefully in. But now you have to be very carefully mix this and very good mix this, that you have really one, that it will be one good bread altogether. And in case you think you need some more water, you can pour in some more water. After I did this, I put this in front of my stove, my good old stove. I like this very good. I had a fire not today, but yesterday in the afternoon. That means the stove is not hot, it's warm, and this is very good for making the yeast work. I put this on the top for 2 hours that the yeast can properly work, and very soon we will see the result. You see here, so in this case, very good to work the yeast, and this is ready to go to fold the bread. I will do this now to put this on my table, but if you have this consistency, everything is fine. Yes, I put some flour on the ground, then of the table, and I will heat before. In this case, I have a good old gas stove. I really love this, but I cannot say at what temperature I did this. Yes, and now I put the bread in for 1 hour, but you have to carefully watch this. You have maybe to regulate the gas a little bit. This is the result. In case of this, all is fine, and for myself, it is good for 1 week. So please like the video, and we will soon see us to the next video what I'm doing on my farm. Bye bye.